Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son. Big up Battolini, meeny, money, mo, and flower, you're the chosen one. Well, your left hand's free, and your right's in grip, with another left hand watches right and slip. Schwartz is gone.
Righto, we've got a full day in Kalbarri, so we've got some sights to see. Sarah's back behind the wheel for now, and we're headed to Nature's Window. Have a look at that. Nature's Window. Australia Rock in Western Australia. Nature's Window done.
Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son.
Pretty cool. Now we're heading over to the Skywalk, which is just over there. So I'll suss that out.
Well, your left hand's free. Well, my 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 left hand's free.
Lunchtime, more hot dogs. We've been to Nature's Bridge, Natural Bridge, and the Skywalk, both pretty sick. They were in that way. So now we're back over the coastal way, and we've got some stuff to see down here. Maybe try for a swim. See how we go. It's warm enough. Have some hot dogs and go from there. See what happens. Had a little swim, which is bloody lovely, wasn't it? And now we're at Red Bluff. Don't know what that is, but we're at it, and we're going to see what it is.
Find out.
Yeah. Well, just 200 metres down from Red Bluff, we've got Mushroom Rock. Let's see what that's all about. I'm guessing it's a rock that looks like a mushroom. What do you reckon?
I think it's a rock that looks like an apple.
Doubt it. Change of plans with Mushroom Rock because it's a 2-hour walk. And I'm still in Pluggers and it's a bit past 3 o'clock. Don't want to be out past curfew. So maybe I'll send the drone up and look at it like that, but we're not walking to it because CBF. So what you saw there was Castle Cove, very cool. Now we're heading up to Natural Bridge, which is why I said Natural Window before, not Nature's Window, because
Nature's Bridge.
I think I said both. I think I said Nature's Bridge and then I corrected it to Natural Bridge, or vice versa. So that's why, because we had a natural something on the agenda, so that's why.
Let's go, I feel the music in you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well, been to IGA, got some groceries for dinner, gonna do some cheeky nachos, and decided to come down here, watch the sunset. Cheers. in Kalbarri. Did I say it?
Kalbarri.
Kalbarri. Kalbarri. Just gonna whip up some nachos. Saw some cool stuff today. Big day out, so eat some nachos, go to bed, and hit the road again tomorrow to Mamma Mia.
Monkey Maya.
Monkey Maya. So, yeah, sweet. Cheers.